Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search on your Z Fold device. This innovative feature lets you effortlessly search for anything on your screen by simply circling, highlighting, or tapping it. Imagine seeing an interesting item in a photo or video. With just a quick gesture, you can get instant information without ever leaving your current app. It's designed for seamless, intuitive searching, making your device even more powerful and convenient for everyday use. To begin using Circle to search, first ensure your Z Fold device has the latest software updates installed. Once updated, simply press and hold the Home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a translucent overlay appear, signaling that the feature is active and ready for your input. If you're using an S Pen, a quick press of its button while hovering over the screen can also activate this handy search tool. Once Circle to search is active, performing a search is straightforward. Simply use your finger or S Pen to draw a circle around any object, image, or text on your screen that you want to learn more about. You can also highlight a section of text or tap on a specific element. Almost instantly, relevant search results will pop up at the bottom of your display, providing you with immediate information without interrupting your current activity. For an even better experience, here are a few advanced tips. You can adjust the transparency of the search overlay in your device settings to suit your preference. For more precise results, try combining your circle gesture with a quick text input in the search bar. The S Pen offers superior accuracy for selecting smaller, intricate details. To dismiss the search results, simply swipe them down or tap anywhere outside the search area.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.